morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 25. Don't mind me, I'm actually applying my makeup, but we need to go get some much needed coffee. Merry Christmas to you guys if you celebrate Christmas. Today's mug is go sit on a cactus. Today's agenda, it's Christmas Day. We're gonna go to church. After that, I don't know. I think we're just gonna be at home. I honestly don't think we're gonna do anything. We are gonna call up fam and greet them Merry Christmas. Drink our much needed coffee, apply the rest of my makeup. Does anybody else feel like they gained 5 pounds from Christmas dinner? Because I feel like I am bloated, like I gained a whole bunch of weight from last night's dinner. Still getting ready, but you guys can see right back here. Watching the Hallmark Channel. How many of you guys have been obsessed watching the Hallmark Channel this holiday season? Because I know my husband can vouch for me on this. I have been watching the Hallmark Channel non-stop. Comment down below if you guys have been watching. Pups and I are on our way to church. We are gonna be about 20 minutes late, but it's okay, we're going to church. We are now at Jinky's Cafe. We've never been here, and we live in this area. One of the only places open besides IHOP, I think Denny's. Had pretty good reviews on Yelp. Plus they have a bunch of brunch food, which I'm not getting. I really wanted to get this one. It's s'mores pancakes, but we're gonna save room for dessert. You know why? Because there's always room for dessert. That looks good. Sesame chicken bowl. I have the roasted garlic chicken, chili. It comes with a bread. The bread right here, and some sour cream. So here's a better presentation of the chili after we put all of the garnishings. Check out the dessert. These are deep fried Oreos wrapped in red velvet, I think, and then with ice cream. It's so pretty. This is my normal tea that I always drink. Choice jasmine green tea. My favorite. We're just gonna be a little bit extra and use a teapot, which normally I wouldn't do. I would just put hot water into my mug. It's tea time. And we only have a couple more days left, which I'm really sad about. So just in case you guys missed yesterday's Vlogmas, yesterday at the very end of the video, I just kind of announced really quickly that I will still be daily vlogging up through the 31st per your request. Thank you guys so much for commenting. Although I'm gonna kind of change up a little bit of the music and stuff, because technically Christmas is already over. We're just gonna use regular music and all that, but we're still gonna do the same thing. We're still gonna have our tea time and everything. While the tea is still steeping, let's recap our advent calendar. So let's start with the Trader Joe's 24 chocolate days till Christmas. I actually really like this one. Just plain milk chocolate. I like the theme because it had the different countries on here. I like this chocolate advent calendar a lot better than the one from the other year. I think the one from the previous year, I had the dark chocolate advent calendar, and that one had different types of fillings. I didn't really like that. This I think was only either $1.99 or 99 cents. So very inexpensive. Would definitely get it again next year. Let's do a recap thumbnail. So now let's kind of recap the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. And as you guys can see, it's completely empty. In case you missed day number 1 for Vlogmas, in this box, it contained the perfect spoonful, and this is what it came with. So that's kind of why this year's advent calendar was a little bit more expensive. I think last year it was $44 or $45. This year it was $50. So it comes with the perfect spoonful for you to place the right amount of tea when you put it into your tea steeper, which I really found very useful, because last year I was kind of just eyeballing it. I really wasn't sure how much to put, and this was included, so I thought that was a really good addition. Really happy that they included it with the advent calendar. There's nothing in here, it's just a faux box. Pretty sure you guys saw all of the boxes that were in here. They can also be repurposed as an ornament for your Christmas tree, which I really love the idea, and I thought that was great that we were able to use those boxes as a Christmas ornament. We have now our 24 teas, which I'm going to go through each and every one with you guys in a couple of minutes. I have a couple things to say though about this packaging. I wasn't really too fond of the packaging in my opinion. I know that since they kind of had to switch out the packaging. Last year and the 2 previous years, they had these little tiny tin cans, which I think are really great because you can definitely reuse them. Put little buttons in here, maybe paper clips, little odds and ends, and I've even put eyelashes in here at one point. With this year, they have it in a plastic resealable baggie. It also tells you the proper amount of time for sleeping. This information used to be on the back of the actual box. So I'm gonna get this from the 2017 David's Tea box. I have that information at the very bottom of the David's Tea box from 2017 and also from 2016. To be honest with you, this is a little bit difficult to read. Also, I don't like how it's in this little resealable baggie, just because a lot of the times the tea leaves are so tiny that I'm not able to properly seal it. Let's take this out. So let's quickly recap the teas, and I'm gonna tell you guys if they were a yay, a nay, or they were just okay. So here we go. First one we have here, cinnamon rooibos chai, yay. Mother's Little Helper, nay. Cream of Earl Grey, nay. Candy cane crush, okay. Buddhist blend, yay. Santa's Secret, yay. Forever Nuts, yay. Tulsi Tranquility, yay. Sweet Almond Green, nay. Chocolate Orange, okay. Mulled Wine, nay. Sleigh Ride, yay. Ginger Turmeric Tonic, nay. Double nay for this one. Let It Snow, yay. Red Velvet Cake, yay. White Cranberry Bark, yay. Apple Cider, yay. Fireside Mocha, yay. Snow Day, okay. Nutty and Spice, yay. Caramel Shortbread, yay. Zest Wishes, okay. Gingerbread, yay. And lastly, S'mores Chai, yay. Ended up putting little stickers on the packaging. So the pinks were my yays, and then the ones that have green color, these were okay. The other ones that have this gray sticker, these are the nays. I hope that was helpful to you guys in maybe determining if maybe next year you want to pick these up. Even though I feel like it is a bit pricey, especially this year since they did bump up the price. If you are a tea lover or are curious about trying out different types of teas, especially their holiday blend, highly recommend you guys try it out. I did some research on different types of advent calendars for this year. David's Tea was the one that had the best ratings. I felt like they had the most variety, and plus presentation wise, David's Tea was the one that really stood out the most. Really happy with the David's Tea and would definitely repurchase the 24 days of tea for next year. I'm gonna finish up my tea, but I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas Day 25 here. I hope you guys enjoyed the 25 days of Vlogmas, and of course we will still continue vlogging up through the 31st, but just not with so much of the holiday, you know, holiday music and all that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a very happy holidays, a very Merry Christmas. Comment down below what you guys did for this special holiday. Did you guys celebrate? What did you guys do? I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog.